Thank you for being.
When you don't see his plan, when you can't trace his hand, trust his heart. Be alone for argument, though sometimes we don't see how they could. Struggles that bring the truth.
Just like the scribe and Pharisees, they were well informed the truth. They even memorized the Bible, the Torah, about the prophecy, especially the Messiah who will come. But my dear brothers and sisters, when Jesus Christ came down on this earth, He did not call them. Because
Church muna tayo dito sa Seventh-day Adventist. Kaya bago tayo pumunta sa birthday, mag-church muna tayo, siyempre. Para yung blessing, patanggap natin. Yan. Tsaka, after nyan, punta tayo sa birthday ni kaibigan ko, Kuya Harvey. Happy birthday. Birthday niya ngayon. Kaya punta tayo. Mauna na tayo. Birthday yun eh. Thank you Lord. Kung nakasimba rin tayo. Birthday ni Harvey. Happy birthday Harvey. Dito ako sa Seventh Adventist Church. Punta kayo dito sa Philam Church. Filipino American Capital Seventh Adventist Church. Yan. Yan. Dito ako. Yan. Kaya mag-church muna tayo bago tayo pumunta sa birthday. Okay, salamat mga pastor. Thank you.